Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this something went wrong withdrawal or payment error on TikTok so you can get back to receiving or sending your money without issues. Now, if you're having trouble withdrawing your balance or completing a payment inside the TikTok app, don't worry, there's a way to properly report it so support can fix it on their end. Now, first, you want to open your TikTok, and on your phone, you want to go to your profile. Once you're there, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. After that, scroll all the way down and choose Help Center. From here, you want to select Chat with Us. Now, once you do, this is where you can directly contact TikTok support. So you can send a message below here. So in the message, clearly explain your issue. For example, you can write that you're having issues paying on TikTok or that you're unable to withdraw your money and need the problem fixed. Keep it simple and direct so they understand the issue quickly. Now, once you submit the ticket, you want to wait around 24 to 48 hours for TikTok support to review your case. After they respond or make adjustments, try your withdrawal or payment again and see if the issue has been resolved. This method works because sometimes the error isn't on your device, it's on the account or system side, and only support can fix it. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.